YouTube family, you're welcome back.
Today's video is going to be a quick one, but before we go into it, help me subscribe to this channel, please. Do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. I love you all. And make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video in this channel. So let me show you a very powerful and effective remedy that you can use to improve your bad eyesight. Eye pains, you used to have eye pains inside your eyes, all those things. And you also have all those eye problems like eye discharge, short-sightedness. You can see clearly from afar. If you are actually suffering from eye cataract too, glaucoma, or you have blurry vision because of smoking and also eye itching, this remedy is actually for you.
Get a knife, cut the aloe vera into two. Make a little cut out of it. And try to squeeze out the gel. This is how to do it. Make sure it's only the gel that is coming out. You can see it's coming out. Then you open your eyes. I'm going to apply it so you see how safe it is, because I have tried this before. I remember having a growth inside my eyeball. Like the growth was gradually growing in there, and I was always feeling this, itching in here. So I applied this for a week, and I don't know, all of a sudden, everything just disappeared. So this is what I've tried using this before. I've used it before. It worked perfectly well for me. So I'm going to apply it. You make sure it drops. Make sure it drops like it's dropping. This used to be my eye drop. I remember way back. I've tried using it before. It is cool. So, if you want to apply this, you lie down on the bed, relax. Then before you put it, so you can see, it's very safe. It doesn't harm the eyes. So you can give this a try. Give it a try. You can apply it in the morning. When you apply it in the morning, just a drop of it. Just put a drop of it. And then you do the same in the evening before you go to bed. It's very safe for your eyes. It's not going to hurt you. You can see I don't have a problem. You can see I don't have any problem. It's safe for the eyes. So if you apply this, you try and apply it for use it for 2 weeks or 1 week for best result.